السلام علیکم۔ اس ویڈیو لیکچر میں ہم پی پی ایس سی اسسٹنٹ کمپلیٹ پیپر ہیلڈ آن جو 13/7/2025 کو ہوا تھا اس کے MCQs کو ڈسکس کریں گے۔ ڈائرکی سسٹم ان سب کانٹیننٹ 1919 ریلیشن آف حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم ود حضرت شیمہ رضائی سسٹر قائد اعظم became magistrate of Bombay 1900 which country is located in the west of Pakistan? Iran. He is teller dash me then my friend and benefactor dash died. Has Michael Phelps won dash medal? 28 American former competitive swimmer. Khalid bin Walid first fight participation after accepting Islam. Ghazwa Mota. NADRA is the abbreviation of National Database and Registration Authority. Lungs covered in double membrane which is called pleura. When did Pakistan join OIC? 1969. Which of the following is the largest river of the world? Amazon. Cooking gas is mixture of propane and butane. The enforcement of 80 lashes as punishment for consuming alcohol sharab is attributed to which caliph? Umar ibn al-Khattab رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ who was the first caliph of Islam. حضرت ابو بکر رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ who wrote the book charismatic leader and creator of Pakistan. سکندر حیات. What is the normal resting heart rate for a healthy adult? 60 to 100 beats per minute. A train covers a distance of 400 km at a speed of 20 km per hour. How much time will it take? 20 hours. Sudi Mar range is located in which country? Indonesia. Port Qasim is near the which city in Pakistan? Karachi. She stand dash him in the crisis with United Nations Human Rights Committee is international covenant on civil and political rights. Which Russian leader supported the two-nation theory? Stalin. Who is Mackenzie Scott? Novelist. Day of Deliverance was observed on 22 December 1939. Which agency is responsible for preventing the spread of atomic weapons? Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty NPT. UN organization works for tourism promotion is World Tourist Organization. Imam Muslim was born in 817 AD. The ruler of Junagadh at the time of independence was Muslim. Pakistan ideology is based on the idea of Islam. وہ نام جو ماں باپ بیٹا بیٹی یا کسی اور نسبت سے مشہور ہو جائے، مثلا ابو قاسم، ابو تراب، کلثوم وغیرہ کیا کہلاتے ہیں؟ کنیت. Which of following is not a valid zoom percentage in Excel? 500. Which of the following statements is correct about adding, deleting columns and rows in a database or separate sheet? You can add and delete columns, row as needed. Who was the first ruler among these to accept the textile of Khalifa in the Delhi Sultanate? Sultan Iltutmish. Who established the Tehreek-e-Naswa women movement organization? Shima Karmani. What is the primary purpose of Baitul Mal in Islam? To serve as a treasury for social welfare and public assistance. The Swedberg SV is the unit of which of the following? Sedimentation rate. The 30 Years' War 1916-18 1648 was ended by which treaty? Treaty of Westphalia. The man who built the first mechanical calculator was Blaise Pascal. Which of the following works as a buffer against environmental changes? Trees. Solar system was discovered by Copernicus. First school for transgender in Punjab inaugurated in the city of Lahore. Gwadar is a part of which province? Balochistan. The Karthar range is near to Dadu. App news agency belongs to Pakistan. Nawadatul Ulma started working in 1898. In which of the following is vitamin D found? Meat and butter. What is the traditional underground water system in Iran called? Qanat. Which is the deepest trench in the Atlantic Ocean? पान दान से क्या मुराद है? पान रखने की डबिया. लाचार बिचार करने से क्या मुराद है? बहाना बनाना या हेले हवाले करना. Batha Valley is situated in Makkah. The SAARC movement was launched for regional cooperation. पढ़े न लिखे नाम मोहम्मद काजिल. इस मुहावरे का मतलब बयान करें. बगैर इल्म के आलिम बनना. The human kidneys are covered by two protective layers. These layers are called renal capsule and adipose capsule. Shimla deputation October 1906 comprised how many Muslim leaders? 35. Arab worship before Islam. Fair and idols. Who was the foster sister of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him? Shima. Who mediated, brokered the Indus Water Treaty in 1960? World Bank. When was the League of Nations formed? 10 January 1920. जम्मे में फूला ना समाना मुहावरे का मफहूम है निहायत ही खुश होना. Which act introduced darky in the provinces? Government of India Act 1919, when Muhammad Ali Bogra presented Bogra formula in the Assembly. October 1953, the Blue Mosque or the Mosque of Sultan Ahmad is located in Istanbul. When was the Grand Jamia Mosque in Karachi built? 2015. A standard 400-meter oval track typically has dash length. 8. Who wrote Glimpses of World History? Nero. Hassan al-Banna, the founder of the Muslim Brotherhood, was assassinated in which year? 1949. During Soviet Union, Russia was ruled by which theory? Consumerism. Sindhai Earthworks has been constructed on river Ravi. Bhangra is the dance of Punjab. Who proposed the 4-point formula for Kashmir? Pervez Musharraf. Who discovered homeopathy? Who discovered bacteria? In which year was OIC founded? 25 September 1969. When was NATO founded? 1949. Who gave the suggestion of digging the trench around the city of Medina at the time of Battle of Khandak? Salman Al-Farsi Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.